pinakahihintay ko yung Would You Mind. Grabe yung performance nun sa YouTube. Tapos ano pa may labangan? Team selfie ko. Tapos yung
I'm most excited about the callback because this is his first solo concert here and this is the first time that I will hear it live.
first time ko talaga siya makikita in person. Baka maiyak ako pagtapos.
Baka umiyak kami. Habang kumakanta siya, kumakagulgul na lang. Inaabahan kita! Napakasalam kita!
Kumusta? Ako si Mino.
You found, brace yourselves. We are about to witness a supernova talent like no other. The stirring voice, the fiery rap, the unmatched energy, the heartbeat behind Shiny's biggest hits, and solo tracks like Callback, Heartbreak, and Chase. Let's put our hands together and make some noise for the one and only Chai Minho!